How to use microphone input in AudioMass. First of all, open AudioMass in your browser by going to audiomass.co. This is a free, browser-based audio editor that doesn't require any downloads. Once you are on the home page, you will see a clean interface ready for your audio work. Next, allow the website to access your microphone when prompted. This is necessary for AudioMass to capture your audio input. Then, look for the red record button in the top toolbar. Before you click it, make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer or device. When you press the record button, a window will pop up. In the Devices section, click on the drop-down menu to expand it and choose Microphone. After that, click on Start Recording. The microphone input will begin capturing your voice or any other sound. You will see the waveform being created live on the screen as you record. This visual feedback helps you monitor the input levels and adjust your distance or volume accordingly. If you want to stop recording, just click the Finish Recording button and your audio will be placed on the timeline for further editing. You can trim, apply effects, or add more tracks as needed. In case the microphone isn't picking up sound, check your browser's permission settings and your system's audio input settings. Refreshing the page or reconnecting the mic often fixes common issues. Finally, once you have finished recording and editing, you can export your audio file by clicking the File menu and selecting Export. Choose the format you want, like WAV or MP3, and save it to your device. And that's it. Now you know how to use microphone input in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.